Hello student, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to explain you a Python program which will print the Fibonacci series up to n term. The term will be entered by user. So let's go for the program. First I have taken a variable that is term. As you know, there is no need to define data type as we define in other programming language. So I have not written anything like int, integer in this, as I can give direct term in Python. Int, I will explain about int, but first input. Input is the function which will return you the input which is entered by the user. Input. By default, the return type of input function is string. That's why we need an integer here. So when I am taking input from the user, the input function will return a string, but I need an integer here. That's why I will use int function, which will convert that string into integer. Now you can see this line n1 comma n2 is equals to 0 1. So this is another facility which is available in Python, where you can initialize two variables at the same time. So n1 will be given by the 0 value and the n2 will be given by the 1 value. Another variable count I have declared here for counting my iteration. Now first I have put here if term is less than equals to 0. So if a user is entering negative number, so I have to print a message that it's not possible to print Fibonacci series for a negative number. So we will print a message that if enter a positive number. Elif. This term is just similar if you have learned in other programming language. So else if, there is a term which is called as else if. Here in Python we are using elif. Elif, if condition is true, then this will run. If condition is false, then this will check this term. Term is equals to 1. So only one, we need to print only one element. So we know what is the first element. So I will print here my message, that is Fibonacci series. Print function helps us to print a message. Print n1, so n1 the value is 0. It will get printed. Else if the condition is true, if statement will work, and if the condition is false, then else statement will work. So inside the else statement, I have written print my message while count is less than term. This is my condition. Then print n1. So I am printing my first term here, that is 0. As we know, the next term of Fibonacci series is the addition of preceding numbers. That's why I am adding here n1 plus n2. These are the preceding terms of next term of Fibonacci series. Now I will transfer the value n1, n2 value to n1 and nth value to n2. So it will be possible for me to calculate next element of my Fibonacci series. Now count plus equals to 1 can be written as count is equals to count plus 1. Here one increment will be given to count variable. Here I have run this program. This is the output and I have given -2. So the message is shown here, please enter a positive number. That means this if loop is working, this part is working. Term is less than, that means -2 is obviously less than 0. That's why please enter a positive number. This message will be printed as a result. Next I have given 1. So how many terms? 1. First term, this if this block will run and Fibonacci series and 0, that is n1, will get printed. Next I have given terms 5. Here I have given 5 as my input and you can see the 5 terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So The next number is the addition of preceding number. This is called as Fibonacci series. As I have entered 5, so I am getting the 5 digits. So this is how you will run and you will write Fibonacci series in Python programming language. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.